I did order my wheels. They're coming on the 6th, so we're gonna be revealing those too. My girl don't know that yet though, so we're gonna try to keep it a secret. Cold start, guys. Cold start. Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Happy New Year 2020. Here we are, man. This is gonna be the first video for the year. As you guys can tell by the thumbnail, I'm about to be installing the NISMO Shift knob. It's genuine. I picked it up for about $100. I believe I bought it on eBay. I bought a lot of my stuff from eBay. People said not to, but I mean, my car's basically built off eBay for the most part. But I got genuine parts on my car. If this is your guys' first time watching, man, make sure you smash subscribe. It's highly appreciated. We're just gonna jump right into the video, man. And I'm gonna show you guys how to basically install the shift knob if you guys have a manual G35. So let's jump right into the video. All right, if you guys have never removed the shift knob before, mine's already basically loose. I can just unscrew it right now because I've already did the clutch 2 times actually, and took the transmission off 3 times. So this is, I never really actually put it on, but if you guys want to know how to take off the shift knob, because sometimes it's very hard, you pop this centerpiece off, then you'll go underneath it where the line is at, the metal piece. Use a pair of pliers, but put like a sock or something around it so you don't scratch or bite into the thing, and hold it, and then twist this from the top, and it'll come right off. So I'm gonna take this off, and then we'll get to opening up the NISMO shift knob right now. Basically, I'm gonna put the camera on my head real quick. So here's the NISMO shift knob. Carbon fiber, it's really nice. First time opening it. And it, as you can see on here, it has the all the way to 6, just like the OEM one. Where's the OEM one at? All right, so this is the OEM. It's the same thing, just has the NISMO. Looks pretty nice. That's a sticker that goes on the top of this, so we're gonna put this on right now. I'm excited, guys. No lie. Sheesh, look at that. Says NISMO right on it. Pretty clean. Does it fit though? Does it fit? Uh-oh. Cover up the NISMO. See how long this sticker lasts on here though.
See, this shit is engraved, huh? It's not sticking.
Yeah, that's engraved. Feels way different.
Fuck yeah. This is like a little fucking knob. This one's fucking bigger, you can actually fucking feel it.
What you guys think? Stock one or the new one? gonna be rewrapping the interior too, so stay tuned for that. That was my first time ever wrapping some shit. It came out kind of shitty, but we're gonna be redoing this with a 7D actually carbon fiber wrap. Looks pretty nice. New lights for the inside. Got them in the back too, boy. All right, you guys, man, this is gonna be the end of the video. It's a real short one. Much more coming on the G35. I'm about to take the entire front end off, repaint my front bumper because it's pretty messed up and damaged. What you doing? This the one that said what's up. He wants to be YouTube famous. But yeah, man, just subscribe if this is your first time watching, man. Like I said, much more coming on the G35. I have a ton of parts inside the house. I did order my wheels. They're coming on the 6th, so we're gonna be revealing those too. My girl don't know that yet though, so we're gonna try to keep it a secret. I still need to order tires for those. And yeah, just stay tuned, man. Like I said, lots more coming on the G35.